So the sun is totally gone, and look at that horizon. Yeah, it's like a drawing actually. If you see it in person, looks like a drawing, like a painting. I'm the only one parked in this area. I just realized that I don't have any food in the house. I have, but they are frozen. So yeah, we are here in the grocery. And this is what they have on sale this time. Look at the milk. Yeah, regular price is $4.50. Now just 90 cents. But this one is best until tomorrow. Yogurt, salmon 10.80. Regular price is 18. Should I take it and this will be my dinner? No. Okay, I found it. This is going to be my dinner. Dim sum, siomai, just $4. Regular price is $8. And do you know that before this is just $5, maybe 2 years ago? And usually they also have always half price, which is just $2.50. Oh, I see this one. These noodles, just $3. It's actually fresh noodles, so I'm going to take it because I think fresh noodles is much better than the dried noodles. Yeah, the total is $11.25. It is already 6:05. I am hungry, but I still need to cook this. But I'm going to make it very simple. So I put some water here. That much, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And inside here I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. Let's check if these noodles already have a flavor. Nothing, it's plain. Just add some salt, some pepper. Yeah, some of this is spicy chili. Sambal ulik. Oh, one thing I forgot. Yeah, I should buy eggs. Yeah, that is what I was thinking a while ago while I was in the grocery. I was thinking what I need to buy. Okay, this is my dinner. Actually, this is my first rice meal. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it's already 3 o'clock. I worked today from 6 o'clock and finished at 2. I was in the car, just using my phone, and I am now preparing my meal. This is the other half of the siomai yesterday. I am cooking it the same way like last night. And then this is the leftover from last night.
Most feminine beauties due to their
This vacuum cleaner is not good. It runs out of battery very easily, quickly. I remember that I charged it last time that I used it, like overnight charging. And just this time I used it, but I was able to vacuum only this part. You know, I am using this walis tambu. And another thing about that vacuum, it's not strong enough. The one that I bought from Kmart, like 5 years ago, is much better. That one from Kmart was just $25 during the time. And this one is $79, actually $63. It is now 4:30. I am doing my laundry. Outside is like that already. The sun already gone, or maybe covered by clouds. Oh, I just throw the garbage and it's actually raining outside. Good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. I start from 6 o'clock and I finished already actually 2:10 when I signed out. And I am now here in the Nelson Bay Town Center, and I noticed those people. If you see those people in a life vest, safety life vest, the green yellow one, yeah, they are basically planting the tree, plants, flowers. If I'm not mistaken, they are kind of volunteers. Yeah. Do you know that on the citizenship, people who are becoming Australian citizen are encouraged to join the organization, volunteering, something like that. So like me, I should join or do some kind of volunteering. Yeah, but I don't know, once I have the courage to join, The problem is my shyness. Yeah, but you know, sometimes the courage will comes naturally when I feel it. Yeah, they are actually a Terry White Kmart volunteer. So basically part of this Terry White Kmart drugstore, chemist. I stop here because I want to eat something. Yeah, also I want to stay here in the car, here in the van, doing some computer works, video editing, while park somewhere. Not here, but somewhere near the beach. I am tempted to buy a meat pie, but meat pie is too less. The fish and chips is too expensive. I want to eat something less than $10, but not less than a piece of meat pie. You know, a piece of meat pie is this much, and I feel that I'm not going to be full with that much. But this is how it is here. That's my bun. Actually, before I said that footpath, it's actually a pedestrian, but yeah, the footpath is not yet done. Like this one, still have some construction improvements going on. Actually, this one before doesn't have actual pedestrian. So before, the priority here is the car, but on the other side, pedestrian. I'm going to figure out what I am going to eat. Now it's already 6 o'clock. I ran out of memory card. That's why I stopped recording, and I get into here in the beach area. And yeah, just now I start recording because I transferred the files from the memory card, and it's actually raining outside. So I have been here for about 3 hours. You don't see me because it's dark. I don't want to switch on the light because it is going to be obvious that I am here. From outside they will see me. Yeah, that's me. And we are home now. It is already 4:45. Yeah, and it's actually raining. That's why I didn't able to get out of the van. Actually, I already took a shower, and now I'm doing my laundry. Later, I am going to a birthday party again. I'm not going to the birthday party. Yeah, it's actually birthday of the son of Brian. Brian is one of my colleague. It is raining. Yeah, we are here in the shopping center. I'm going to buy something, gift to give to the son of Brian. Most of the shops are closed already, as you can see, but Kmart is still open. You know, I don't have much time, and it's difficult to find a gift. But it's the same, even if I have time, it's always difficult to find or to give. Yeah, to find a gift is difficult. I'm going to take this one. Actually, before leaving the house, I eat egg and rice. Yeah, 4 eggs, fried eggs, and rice with sambal olik. And at the moment, I'm still a little bit full.
Nobody put that, Casey. We got the pepperoni here. So you got mushroom prosciutto. What's this one called, Robbie?
Slow beef.
Slow beef. Yeah, slow beef. It's not fast beef. Slow beef.
Slow cook. morning, guys. Yeah, it is now 20 minutes to 11 o'clock, and I am editing a video. Yeah, and I'm going to upload it today. I just finished my meal. I cooked this. This is just noodles and egg mess. Going to make a coffee. Just like that much. Because I actually just finished this coffee, and yeah, not enough if I put more water. And on day of today, I am planning to go for a road trip. Oh, that dog. Last night after the birthday, actually I was coming from a birthday party last night. I meet this the third time that I meet the Filipino group. Yeah, most of them are nurses. Yeah, and another thing, I have a new cup. Look at this. This is beautiful. 940 New Era adjustable. And this is going to be the first time that I'm going to see it, how it looks on myself. Yeah, it looks good, like I'm a soldier. Looks like I'm an army. Do you know that after my citizenship, I initially have in mind to go on army. Yeah, or maybe on navy. I googled everything about how to apply to the army. And the good thing is there is no age limit. But then I keep on checking, I keep on researching. And I learned that it is going to be a very difficult training. I initially thought that I can do the training. Yeah, but in the previous days, if you remember, I did some hiking when I went to Blue Mountain, Grand Canyon trail. Yeah, and it was going up and it's very tiring. Yeah, I realized that maybe I cannot do the army training because yeah, it's difficult. And until now, I still have the idea of maybe going to the army. I don't know.